In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple and genuine method that you can use to log single chats in WhatsApp. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to open Play Store, and from the Play Store you need to download this application called Chat Locker for WhatsApp. Once the application is downloaded and installed, simply open it. Create a 4-digit password. Click on Next. Click on I allow to use this accessibility permission and click on Accept. Now in this list of applications, search for WhatsApp Chat Locker. Once you have found the application, click on it and then enable this option. Click on Allow. Now go back to WhatsApp Chat Locker and then click on this Add option. And now what you need to do is to just single tap on the chat that you want to lock. And you will notice that this notification appears which says chat/group added successfully. So now when you open WhatsApp and try to open that chat, you will notice that it asks for password. In this way, you can log single chats on WhatsApp. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll put the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 50 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.